In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete new gesture in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot Switch Control. When I see Switch Control, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the Switch Control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving slowly until I find Saved Gestures. Once I see it, I tap on Saved Gestures, and that opens up the list where my stored gestures appear. From here, I tap on Edit in the top right corner. Now I can remove a gesture, so I go ahead and delete the one I don't need anymore. The change applies right away, and once it's removed, I pause for a moment just to make sure everything looks correct. After that, I back out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Switch Control, open Save Gestures, tap Edit, and remove the gesture again if needed. Sometimes I like to stay on the list for a second and scroll through what's left just to confirm everything looks clean and organized. It only takes a moment, and it helps make sure I didn't remove the wrong item before moving on. If I need to make another change, I can stay right here and repeat the same action again without leaving the screen. It's straightforward and doesn't interrupt anything else I'm doing, so managing gestures becomes really quick once you're familiar with it. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to delete a saved gesture on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and manage them whenever you want.